If you're camera shy but have a voice and ideas that could light up a room, then you need to dive into the world of faceless YouTube channels. Starting a YouTube channel without showing your face might sound like a magic trick, but with ChatGPT Video AI, it's totally doable. First up, find your niche. Whether it's storytelling, tutorials, or mind-blowing facts, make sure it's something you're passionate about. Next, script your content. With ChatGPT, you can generate engaging scripts that grab attention. Just input a topic and voila, a ready-to-record script at your fingertips. Now let's talk visuals. Use dynamic visuals like animations or stock footage that relate to your narration. This keeps the viewer hooked without any on-screen presence. Lastly, consistency is key. Regular uploads with ChatGPT's help mean you'll never run out of content ideas. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start crafting your faceless YouTube empire with just a splash of creativity and a dash of AI wizardry.